משקיעים בארץ ובחול זיהו בשנים האחרונות את ההזדמנות לקנות בארצות הברית בתים במחירים נמוכים ולשכן בהם דיירים בסחירות. אבל כשבוחרים להשקיע בשווקים בינלאומיים, לא רק פוטנציאל הרווח עולה, אלא גם הסיכון. כדי לדעת טוב יותר מה קורה בשוק הנדל"ן האמריקאי ולהבין האם מדובר כאן בהשקעה משתלמת או מסוכנת, נשוחח עם פיטר מריגן, מנכ"ל ושותף מייסד של חברת טארוס השקעות. Which sectors and location in the US are thriving?
Right now, most sectors in the U.S. are thriving. We're in the period of strong economic recovery. So we're seeing the office sector start to move forward. The hotel sector is very strong. Retail is probably struggling a little bit more than others, and housing continues to lag a little bit, but most of the sectors are in strong recovery.
Can you describe the U.S. urbanization phenomena and what it means for real estate demand?
Sure. There's been a movement back into the major cities by both the retiring baby boom population and then also what we call the millennial class of younger generations who are looking to live in the urban environments. So that's creating a lot of demand in the major cities in the United States.
Will the U.S. housing ever recover to its production level?
There's been, going into the crisis in 2008, there was a big loosening of regulations in the housing market and for mortgages. There's been a large compensation against that from a regulatory standpoint. So it's been very difficult for particularly first-time home buyers to get a mortgage. That is starting to change again and starting to loosen up. And there's been some recent announcements by Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac that will change the requirements for first-time home buyers, and that will create more demand, in my opinion, for the housing market going forward.
And what will be your advice for investors?
Going forward, I think that the U.S. is probably the strongest market in the world to invest in, but because it's in a period where you have to be very cautious, I think it's important to align yourself with expert managers so that you can have the proper advice going into any investment going forward.
Peter Merrigan, thank you very much.
Thank you.